Hey guys, Chelsea from Attention to Details, and I wanted to do a quick video sharing with you guys some tips or products that I use to help get streak-free glass results. Now this is going to be real time. I was goofing off the other day. This was a customer's vehicle that they heavily smoked in their vehicle. And I'm just using a magic eraser here that had been soaking in some water to kind of scrub through that initial smoke film. You can see just how dirty the glass is. The magic eraser is a great way to just scrub through all of that initial filth that can be on glass, whether you vape, have pets or kids, or you smoke in the vehicle, or maybe you just haven't cleaned your glass in a while and there's a lot of film. Magic eraser is typically very safe for tinted windows if it is kind of stock. If it's aftermarket windows, you might want to use something like an Autofiber Scrub Ninja just to be a little bit more delicate. Can be the equivalent of 5,000 grit sandpaper. But you can see we were able to scrub all of that film right off the glass. And then we're going to use a microfiber waffle weave. I'll use a waffle weave for this step because it does a fantastic job of just scrubbing the glass and getting any sort of residue that we've loosened up off the glass. You can see how much residue is still on our microfiber. Now here's where we're going to fine tune it. I'm going to be using ADG Breeze. This is a fantastic glass cleaner, and the Autofiber F-Lint Korean Premium Microfiber Glass Towel. It's a very large towel. You can fold it in half and then fold it in thirds, and that way you have a fresh side every time you clean your glass. A lot of times if you're struggling with streaky glass, it's either going to be you're not scrubbing all that initial dirt off, you don't have the right type of cleaner, maybe it's evaporating too quickly so you don't have as long of a work time. That's why I like Breeze. Or maybe your microfibers aren't clean. Maybe you're not laundering them properly. You want to make sure you're using a detergent that has no softeners, no perfumes, no dyes within it. If you find that you're getting streaky results, you want to either have a fresh towel, flip to a fresh side, or maybe you're not laundering them properly, and kind of examine it that way. But those are typically the issues that people will have with cleaning glass, is that they are not scrubbing all that initial dirt off properly. I love the F-Lint Korean microfiber because it does a great job of leaving no lint behind. It's so smooth on the glass, very large, but perfect for your hand. If you find that you're getting a little bit of streaking, just flip to a fresh side. You have so many to choose from. So hopefully this helps some of you guys out that maybe are struggling with glass. I'll put the link for all the products down below. Hope you enjoy this quick tip video on glass. Make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for future videos we have coming out. We'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.